Stephanie, in this video, I'm going to go over your new website with you. The website is pretty much complete. I would say that it's about 90% complete. There are some finer details that I need to iron out, which I will do after you've reviewed the website and tell me that you're happy with it. At this stage, I just want you to review what I've done so far, make sure that you like it, and if you do, I can go ahead and actually move what I've done so far to your domain and then wrap up all the final changes, and then we're done. Your website will be complete. You gave me some examples to go off of as far as what you wanted, overall looks and appearance. One of those examples that you mentioned was the website for BB, which is a black and white website, very minimalistic but professional and modern, very elegant. So what I did was I created a website very similar to that. This is the home page of your new website. You can see that once you land on the home page, you'll see the logo up here in the top left. I didn't finish the logo. I didn't put your actual LushLadies text here because I want you to make sure that you like this design, and if you do, I can finish this logo when I move the website. You have your navigation up here. Of course, standard links, the About Us page. Then we have the Track My Order page for people that have placed an order and they want to track delivery of that order. General Contact Us page if anyone has a question. We have a page of everything that is on sale. So all the items that are currently on sale you could put on this page. And your website actually has a back panel that's set up like a storefront for you. So you can pick items, put them on sale, and then the website here for your users will automatically put all those items on the on sale page. And then we have your categories: accessories, dresses, shoes. Now what I did, Stephanie, is I just picked some random products, very few random products, and I scattered them throughout the categories. It's not my job to fill up your store, your website with products. You have your products. You will be provided with tutorials and a visual editor, the storefront that I just mentioned, that allows you to add your own products, set up your prices, all of that yourself. If you don't like the order of the categories, you can arrange that as well. You can add as many categories for different products that you want. All I did was basically give you a layout to follow, and I wanted to kind of just show you some examples so that when you add your own products, you'll know how to organize them. This is a slider that's on your home page. When I move the website, you will be required to change these images. These images are just used for an example, but you can see that you can have the home page actually slide through different images. You can update these as often as you want. So as the seasons change, maybe summer to spring to fall, etc., you can change these images showing different outfits. And then I put underneath the homepage slider, I put three what I believe are the main categories of your website. And frankly, all the other subcategories fall under these three main categories, which is dresses, shoes, and accessories. So if somebody comes for different types of dresses or bags or necklaces, jewelry, they'll go under accessories. Anything relating to dresses will be here, and of course shoes, boots, sandals, etc. And if you feel that I should have something different here, just let me know. But this is a very nice, professional, elegant layout. You have your logo, your navigation links, a real nice large image slider which shows all of your latest fashions. And then you have your three main categories here so people can click. You can see I didn't want to just do black and white, so I did add some colors to the website. When you hover your mouse over these tiles, you'll get a yellow icon basically letting you know to click on it. And then when we come down here, we have articles, tips on fashion, and a newsletter subscription. Basically what I thought would be a good idea is for you to have a little newsletter where people can subscribe to get discounts, coupons, things like that. Here is where we'll put your articles. You mentioned you wanted articles so that you could give fashion tips, and really those articles are to promote your outfits on your website. So I've set that up for you. And you also have your social links. Again, I wanted to add some color to the website instead of making it all black and white. So I've made your social links be blue, and also to designate the color of that network. For example, Facebook, Twitter, you see YouTube, and when you put your mouse over it, it slides out, just to add a nice modern touch to the website. And then when you click here, you'll scroll right back to the top. Now, let's go ahead and look at the About Us page. This is the About Us page. You can see that this page has a nice slider on the top of the page. Again, very easy for you to update these images as often as you want. It's very easy to do so because I provide tutorials on how your back panel works and how you can manage all of these features. So it'll be very simple for you to update that. And then you'll need to update the About Us content. Again, it's your job to fill up this page with content using the visual editor, but I've given you a nice layout to follow. So simply log in and replace this text with your own. And then here on the side we have a drop-down menu. So no matter, my purpose when setting up this website is to make it easy no matter where on the screen the person's mouse is, whether it just happens to be up here or to the side or even down on the bottom. They have a way of getting to your actual different product categories. So if we come down here, we can select handbags, for example. You'll see here, now obviously this is not handbags, but what I've done is I've added just random products to your website just so I could fill it up with products, knowing that you're going to go and replace them later anyways and arrange all the products in their appropriate categories. But what I want to show you is each product, for example, accessories under handbags, you'll want to put all your handbags here. If you go here to, for example, dresses, if you go here to dresses, you'll see all your dresses. And you can actually put different dresses under subcategories. So you'll have cocktail outfits, day wear, evening dresses. So when you set up your products and categories, you can put them in subcategories, making them very easy to organize and also easy for your customers. When you click on a product, I want to show you the actual product page. It's really neat how I set this up. Again, I added some colors, and what you see is the main image, which is right here. So you have the main image, and when you click on it, you'll see a larger view. And then you can actually click through and look at the different views as well. And then down here you have additional pictures. So if this comes in different colors, you would put the variations here. The description goes here. That's up to you to fill out for each product. You have your add to cart buttons. Also, you don't see it here, but when you have certain products that come with size options, small, medium, large, 0, 1, 2, 3, or different color options, you can actually add drop-down menus under the add to cart for people to select their size and color options. Now I'm going to show you in the tutorials how that works so that you could add that on products where that's appropriate to do so. This is the categories. Now every single product is going to show that it's in every category just because I didn't put any attention into setting up the products in appropriate categories, because none of these are your actual products anyways. That's up to you to add to the site. But for example, if this actually only falls under, let's say, dresses, evening wear, you would only see here dresses and evening wear as what this falls under. So if a user wants to look at other evening wear outfits, they can just click on that category name. If people have left reviews, let's say past customers come and leave reviews, they can leave their name, email, leave a review. As long as you approve it, then that review will be listed here. So I've set up a system where people can leave reviews for your store, and that's always good for business. And again, you can moderate. So if somebody puts something negative, you don't even have to show that on the site. Let's look at heels. Let's click on the heels category and look at that. You'll see here we can click on heels. You can see on some of these I've actually added descriptions just to show you what it would look like. And you can see here, this is what the description area will look like. And again, we have a reviews section. You have different pictures for different views of this actual shoe. Now, you'll notice this button here. If you put your mouse over this, it'll show you other related products under shoes. So you can click here and go to this item. And then when you put your mouse over this, you'll see another item. And basically I just added that to add a little spice and something interesting to the website. So you can choose whether or not you want to show that on the pages. So if you have certain pages where that product perhaps has another product that complements it, you could put that here. Again, I'll provide you with tutorials on how to use these little features I've set up. So you have that as well. And also on the bottom you have related products. Now, of course, these are not related to any of these items here. That's because I didn't really put any thought into checking what items are related to what other products. I provide you tutorials on how to handle that yourself. So don't worry, you can very easily manage what related products are being displayed for the main page. So let's say, for example, somebody's looking at these boots, and these boots just happen to come with an option of getting a purse that matches it by the same designer. Those would go under related. Or you would choose to put that here in this little arrow. So if these boots had a purse that would go very good with it, or maybe say a hat that would go good with it, you could choose to put that here as a slide out or recommend it under related products. That's up to you. Now, when you add something to your cart, if we click here, we'll add it to our cart. I just want to quickly show you the process. You'll see it says add it to cart. You'll get a confirmation. Then you can click here and view what's in your cart. Here we go. You also have this icon up here. This always stays up here on your website, so as you're browsing certain items, you can actually at any time take a quick look at what's in your cart. So let's say that we're here and we're looking at this dress, and we want to see, well, what do we have so far in our cart? Just put your mouse over here and it'll show you. So if we add this to our cart as well, now you'll see we constantly have an ongoing tally. Then you can go here, click on the cart. If you have a coupon, you can put a coupon. I've set up a feature for you to be able to basically designate coupon codes, and you can choose whether that coupon gives you a dollar amount off or a percentage amount off. Say 25% for a grand opening sale, and if you want to redeem that, you have to put grand here in the coupon code. So you can choose to set up coupons, and then you can give those out to customers. Or perhaps you could, once the website is moved and you're ready to start selling, you could send a coupon code to all of your Facebook friends or send it to all your email contacts. And it could be a grand opening coupon like I just mentioned. So that's up to you. Again, tutorials that I provide will show you how that works. Now, I've also set up a shipping feature that allows you to switch from 3 different shipping options. Free shipping, which is what's active now. Flat fee shipping, which is a flat dollar amount of say $5 for shipping. Or shipping based by weight, meaning the shipping is based on how much items are being ordered, and then you will calculate that based by the actual shipping rates for that package. And you have to have an account with one of the major carriers like USPS, UPS, FedEx, whatever. And you have to provide me with those logins, and I'll feed that into the site, so there's always a live calculator calculating the accurate rate. So if you want to use that option, I need you to do that, and then provide me with your logins. Otherwise, you can very easily switch between the other 2 shipping options, which is free or flat fee shipping. On the side of your website, you'll notice I've done something. I've added a drop-down category so that if people are on the checkout page or whatever page they're on, if they want to quickly go look at something else, they can. If somebody has a question, they can simply click this and fill this out. So they can put their name, email, and if they say they have a question about their order, guess what? Now they have to put their receipt number, which they get in an email after they order, so that you can look up their order and answer their question. I've done that to save you time and have to email them saying, well, give me your receipt number. So we have this set up for you as well, and this will basically just forward to your email address. Keep in mind, none of the forms right now are active on the site, so if you try to use this and it gives you an error, don't be alarmed. I just don't set up forms until I move the site and wrap everything up. Pretty pointless to do it any other time. Now I want to show you this little feature here. These are the articles that you set up on your website will go here. This area will display always 3 of your most recent articles. So as you add articles, this will always update and show the title of the most recent article. Now, this is just a dummy article I set up. This article here, if you click on this picture, or if you click on, for example, let's say you want this picture or any of these paragraphs to link to a specific product, this would be a good of advertising your product. So you can actually set up articles about, selecting the right evening gown, and then you could have a picture of an evening gown here within the article, and when someone clicks on it, it would actually go to one of your evening gowns in your store. So you wanted a way to be able to add articles to the site that you link to different products. Well, I've done that for you, and it's very simple. All you do is make whatever picture or text that you want to link to a specific item. Just select it, click on Add Link, and then select the item you want it to link to. Again, tutorials will show you how that works. And that's pretty much it. Feel free to click around the website, play with the shopping cart. You can actually place orders right now, to be quite honest with you. The site's ready to take orders. Of course, right now it's connected to my PayPal account. So you can actually go through, Stephanie, click on items, add it to your cart, click checkout, go all the way to the last step, but don't confirm your order or you will be charged, because the site's shopping cart is fully set up. All I have to do is replace it with your PayPal details and you're up and running. So please get back to me on any notes that you have. Let me know that you're happy with what I've done so far, so that I know that it's okay to go ahead and move forward, set up your domain and hosting, and then I can hand the site over to you as soon as possible so you can begin selling online. Thanks so much for your patience, Stephanie. I look forward to your feedback.